So over here you can see that I have certain video clips right here and they are separate right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to fix them out together in place. So if I were to move it, then all of them moves together as one single clip. In that case, what you can do is you can click and drag to select out the clips and then you can group them out. So to do that, you can go around onto clips right here and simply group. So once you do that, what happens is that these medias are grouped together. And as you click and drag any one of them, all of them moves together, as you can see right here. But if I were to go around and bring in another video clip over here just like this and keep it right here, then it isn't grouped right here. It is still separate. But you can still go around and select all of them, go around over here and group it out. And now it becomes part of the group again. You can select out the group, and to break out the group, you can go around onto clip and then ungroup it right here. Once you do that, you can see that individual clips are individual again. You can simply select it out again and go to clip and group right here. And what happens is that they are grouped again just like this. And that is how you can group and ungroup video clips inside of Adobe Premiere Elements as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.